Computer hardware components part 4. Digital camera. A digital camera captures still images. The images are digitized and can be brought into the computer and stored. QR code. A QR code or quick response code is an array of black and white squares. It stores information about the link of websites, phone numbers, or SMS text. QR code can store more information than a barcode. QR code are used in products, in visiting cards, and for advertising. Biometric devices. Biometric devices measures human traits for authentication. These can include fingerprints, eye retina, and iris scanner, voice pattern, facial pattern, and hand measures for authentication. For example, on mobile nowadays, most phones are equipped with fingerprint scanner for locking and unlocking our phones. Biometric devices are used in various places for different purpose for making attendance in offices, recognizing passengers in airports and accessing bank lockers. Power glove, data glove, 3D trackers, and body suits are considered as modern day interface to sense any bend in the human body. An inexpensive input glove is the Power Glove made by Mattel, designed as input device for NES video gaming system. Monitor. The standard output device of a computer system is the monitor of the computer screen. The monitor creates a visual display from processed data that users can view. It is also known as VDU or Visual Display Unit. There are two types of monitors: TFT or thin film transistor monitor usually uses LCD or plasma to create output, and the last one is the LED. LED stands for light emitting diode monitor. Speakers. Speakers provide output in audio format. Headphones are also considered to be a variation of speakers. Printer. A printer produces a hard copy of the processed data, such as documents and photographs. The computer sends the images data to the printer, which then physically recreates the images on the printer. Printers are mainly of two types: impact printer and non-impact printer. Impact printer. This type of printer, the print head strikes the paper, taking with it the ink ribbon to create a text or image. It is quite slow and noisy in nature. Examples of this type include dot matrix, line and daisy wheel printer. Non-impact printer. These printers produces in text or images on paper without striking the paper physically. These emits less sound when compared to the impact printers. Example of this include thermal printer, laser printer, and inkjet printer. This is the end of part 4. Part 5 video will be coming very soon.